here is an opportunity for you guys to practice all of the tools that we learned from this section regarding to concave mirrors. Notice you have all the formula at the top of the page right here, okay? And this is how to calculate the focal length if you're given the radius. This is the lens mirror formula, which is often used to calculate where the distance of the image is based upon your focal point and how far your object is away from the mirror. These are two different magnification formula, and these can both be combined and set equal to each other, and this is usually done to find the height of the image. So what I'd like you to do is to go through this is first calculate the focal length using one of the formulas up above. So you can use this formula to calculate your focal length, but then it says draw two light rays for the scenario below using the indicated measurements. The values are quite large, so use a half scale for all measurements. For example, okay, the distance of the object is 30 centimeters from the mirror. Okay, well, if you see from the mirror, this line only goes out to 18 centimeters. So I'm going to have to create a half scale. So these values will have to be cut by half in order to fit it on my paper. You might also have to do this on some of your homework problems as well to create a scale so that your drawing fits on your paper. What you're going to do then is you're going to measure the distance of the image. If you remember, the parallel rays are going to go through the focal point, and then those that go through the focal point will then come out parallel. You're going to find where those intersect to find the distance of the image. You could then measure the distance of the image, and you can measure then the height. Afterwards, what you can do is then you're going to do the calculations. So all of this right here is to do the drawing. Down below here is to do the calculations. So we first want to calculate the distance of the image using the lens mirror formula, and then we can use this formula to find the height of the image, and then we can use either of these formula to calculate the magnification. So I'd like you to go ahead and try to attempt this yourselves after these instructions, and there will be another video to share with you, and I'll walk through it step by step. So go ahead and attempt it, draw it as best as you can based upon your notes, and then go to the second video for this to see if you're correct.